Welcome to the world of avocado. This superfood has become very popular in recent years and with good reason. In this YouTube video we will take you on a journey to discover everything you need to know about avocado. From its nutritional properties to its culinary uses, we will cover all aspects of this versatile and nutritionally dense fruit. You will learn about the amazing health benefits that avocado offers you, as well as its contraindications and how to use it in the kitchen. You will learn to incorporate avocado into your daily meals to have a healthy and varied diet. If you are interested in learning more about avocado, don't miss this YouTube video. You will be surprised what it can do for your health. The avocado is a fruit native to South America that has become very popular throughout the world due to its nutritional properties and its culinary versatility. In addition to being a rich source of healthy fats and protein, avocados are also a key ingredient in many foods and beverages, from guacamoles and salsas to smoothies and shakes. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, FAO, avocado is one of the fruits with the highest fat content, with an average of between 15 and 30% fat in its pulp. Additionally, avocado is an important source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a nutritionally dense food. Vitamins and minerals found in avocados include vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and magnesium. Additionally, avocado is rich in antioxidants, including vitamin E and compounds such as oleic acid and the carotenoid lutein. These antioxidants may help protect the body against cell damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative diseases. Avocado is also known to be a source of healthy fats, especially oleic acid. This type of fat is known to be cholesterol-lowering and have anti-inflammatory properties. Additionally, avocado contains very few carbohydrates and is low in sugar, making it a healthy choice for those on a low-carb diet or looking to control their blood sugar. Despite its many benefits, the avocado also has some contraindications to be aware of. For example, due to its high fat content, avocados can be an unhealthy choice for those who have problems with high cholesterol or high triglycerides. Additionally, avocado contains purines, compounds that can aggravate gout symptoms in people who are prone to gout. In addition to its nutritional properties, the avocado is also known for its culinary versatility. It can be used in a wide variety of dishes, from salads and tacos to sandwiches and smoothies. For example, guacamole is one of the most popular dishes using avocado as the main ingredient, and it can be found in many Mexican restaurants and almost all grocery stores. Additionally, avocado is also a popular ingredient in vegan and vegetarian cooking, as it provides a source of healthy fats and protein without including animal products. Avocado can also be used in a variety of drinks and desserts. For example, it can be added to smoothies to increase creaminess and nutrition, or used as a base for a healthy dessert, such as avocado pudding. Additionally, avocado can also be used as a substitute for butter or oil in cooking, making it a healthy and sustainable option for those looking to reduce their consumption of animal products. In terms of production, the avocado is a global crop that is produced in many countries in Latin America, Asia, Africa, and Australia. According to the FAO, Mexico is the largest avocado producer in the world, with an annual production of more than 1.5 million tons. Other major producing countries include Peru, Colombia, Chile, and Indonesia. In conclusion, the avocado is a versatile and nutritionally dense fruit that offers a wide range of health benefits. From a rich source of healthy fats and protein to a versatile culinary ingredient, avocados are a food that should be on the shopping list for anyone looking for a healthy and sustainable diet. However, it is important to take into account its contraindications and use it sparingly in a balanced and varied diet.